If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Diver A is attempting to clear some of the growth from the grill. The deterioration is extensive, but the identifying features remain visible beneath the sediment.
After decades resting on the Atlantic seabed, the historic vehicle begins its slow ascent. The recovery chains are holding tension as planned.
Steady as she goes. Keep the tension on the chains. Lift. Steady the lines, hold her steady. Lifting slowly now. Watch the port side, clear the superstructure.
Watch the swing, bring it in slow. All right, it's touching down. Secure the load.
At AUTO RECRAFTED, the console disassembly requires extreme precision, carefully navigating the deep corrosion and marine contamination.
I've released the passenger side mounts. Are you clear on the steering column? Almost. One more bracket here. Hold that position. Okay, applying torque now. Reach spec.
We're looking deep into the towmater engine now. As you can see, the marine residue has caused extensive oxidation around the connecting rods. The goal here is to restore the original towmater piston without altering its geometry, preserving the authentic factory marks.
All right, easy does it. Keep the pressure even. Alignment looks good here. Seating it now. Final check on the specs.
Securing the newly rebuilt engine requires precision torque. This contrast highlights the meticulous nature of the deep ocean automotive restoration process.
Bring it down, hold it there. Torquing the main bolts now. Confirm spec.